Sick. Okay. Right now I'm just filming behind the scenes footage.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so we got the watermelon, we got the rubber bands, got the honeydew melon.
I got my beer.
And we got the Master Chief mask.
Yep.
And we got the Snakeadelic and the Bubba Ace. So, I don't think we're missing anything.
Nope. I don't think so. Listen to them sirens.
Oh, yeah, that's what we were missing. We're missing the sirens. All right, we're all set. Let's get going.
Make it rain!
Okay, I went a little too crazy. There are rubber bands everywhere.
Man, you just felt some type of way.
Gotta have chaos when doing this. But I guess too much chaos just doesn't do the trick.
Alright, my turn.
Just saying, de-rooted onion. Hey, it's still food. Looks like food, but it's not food.
Nah, this is.
Yeah. Alright, so have plan B for the...
Nah, yeah, we're gonna use the rubber bands and then we're gonna go to plan B.
Cool, let me get the bat.
Yeah, bring on the band. I'm gonna stop recording for now. My milkshake brings the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours.
It's a watermelon bra! Hey, look at me, I have a watermelon bra!
Bruh?
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
I like chocolate milk.
I like cereal.
I like chocolate milk.
I like cereal!
Yeah. So this is basically the aftermath. Cleaning up the table.
Yep.
And pretty much washing all that away. So, yeah, I say this was a success, and got a nice little consolation for our efforts.
I would say so.
So we're gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up, and we'll catch y'all next time. Till then, ciao, peoples.
Cheers.